how to make changes to your Divi theme WordPress website. So first, I'm on a website here. First thing you do is you want to log in. So you hit the backslash wp-login.php. You're going to come into the WordPress login. And obviously, if your password's saved, you just enter your username and password, click login. This is going to come to the home page of the site. So let's say we want to make edits to the home page. We can hit this, right click this, hit a new tab, have that pop up. And then it gives you the option for enable visual builder. It makes it super simple. So let's say I want to click on enable visual builder. And this starts opening up the visual builder. And so let's say I want to change this text here. I just can click here. I can click either inside here and it will double click on it and pull that up to change it. I can come here and I can click the little wheel on here and that will also open that up. And so I can change whatever I want in here. Be the, right, or you. I'm not going to change anything. If I go to design, I can also change the color of the font. Right? So if I want to change it to black, this is probably a header. So let's go back to check. This text is a paragraph. So yeah. So, oh, that's header 1. So obviously if I go into design, I go into header 1, I'd see that font. I can change it back to black. I can increase the size of it. And obviously you can go through all the different options you have in here. I'm not going to save that because I want it to stay here. And then if I want to add a video here, I can hit this here and it gives you tons of different options. If I want to add text, I can add text. If I want to add a video, I can add a video. If I want to add contact form, I can add a contact form. And the list goes on. You can go through all these options here and find out what you want to post. And it just takes a while to learn that on what you want. So you can make, also you can see here, we have some embedded code here. So if I pull that up, that's actually pulling that up. So if I go, that's what I want here. That's not it. Anyway, I'm having trouble finding it. So easy way to do is, let's say I want just to add a code snippet in. I just hit code. I can paste that code in there, but we're not going to do that. This one is the code. So let me just delete that. That's gone. And just like I said, you can come in here, click this, change the about me, change the colors, change the text just by clicking here, making those changes. If you want to change the image, come here, click the image, upload images, add or use an image that's already added to the media gallery. From a search engine optimization standpoint, let's say you want to add this image, you should always add in what it's about. So this is about personal training, online training. So you should type the alt text in is online personal training Patty Wilson. And then you should use that also in the title, and then you can upload the image and then that will go in this position. But again, like I said, I don't want to make changes. And then obviously you can add a link to it. So it links to certain things. Mess with the alignment, the sizing, like I said. And then obviously from an advanced standpoint, if you know about CSS code and all those other things, you can make adjustments to that. And that's essentially how you change a web page. Once you've made your edits, you're going to click here, you're going to hit save, and that will save that page. So I'm going to come out of here because I don't really want to save anything, and I'm going to click exit visual builder. And once I've saved it and I've exited, those changes would stay there and that would be all updated. And that's how you make adjustments to a page. So let's say I want to go to a different page. Obviously I go into my dashboard. I go to pages. And whatever page I want to make an adjustment to. So let's say it's the Fat Torch order form. I click edit with Divi. And I go through that same process. We're in here, we're in our page builder. So are you ready for fat burning here? Do I want to change this video? Do I change the text? and no different than what I showed you on the home page. You'd make those changes, click here and save it, and then you would just hit exit Visual Builder and then make those changes. If you want to add blog posts, so obviously there's a few ways to do it. So you come into your posts, go to all posts. So notice there's no posts in here. So if I want to add a new blog post, I just click add new. And this adds content to your site. So if you want to add a YouTube video, or you're posting to YouTube and you want to add content to your website, you come in here. The simplest thing would be is, let's just say, how to foam roll your upper back, right? Let's spell that correctly. And then you just hit publish again. And it always takes a little while to upload. So then we're going to hit use Divi Builder. And let's say we want to find a video of to add content. So here we go. Let's pull this video up. And really we just need that URL right there. So now I come back in here. I'm going to build this from scratch, but once you've built one, then you can just go and clone a page, and I'll show you how to do that next. So foam roll here, how to roll your upper back. I'm just going to click this link. First, I'm going to go video. So I add a video in here. Then I'm just going to hit the edit symbol. I'm going to insert from URL. So now it pulls in that video, that foam rolling video. I hit just the check mark here. I want to scroll up here. I want to scroll this up a little bit more so it's higher. There you go, and that's it. And now let's say we have text that you've posted. So you can here add this in here, just bring it back in here. So again, we come and hit here, we hit the text, hit text in here, paste that in there, foam rolling. I want to change that text to a little bigger font and change it to all black. So there, it's 14 font. That's not bad, but let's just change it to make it easier to read, 16 font. And go back to the content. If I want to add some spacing here, oops, enter, oops, there we go here. I don't need to add the website, so we'll just get that. There we go, and add the shop, hit check mark, so it looks good. And now I can just hit here and save. Now if you want to add a featured image, so for example, I'm going to show you where a featured image would go. So let's exit Visual Builder, let's save and exit that. Let's go into the blog here. So exit Visual Builder. So now you can see here's the how to foam roll your upper back page. It adds in this. You click the blog page, and it's going to pull up. The downside is not pulling up a featured image. So let's set a featured image for that page. So come back in here. We're going to click Enable Visual Builder. And an easy way to do it is if you come in here or go back to this image here, you can take a screenshot of this. Let's just take a screenshot. Obviously, if you made that thumbnail, you just upload that thumbnail. So click this button here, click the settings, come down to featured image, hit add image, and then we're going to upload that image from the screenshot we just took. So let's come into desktop, screenshot. I like to rename them for search engine optimization standpoint. There we go. Then hit open. Pulled that in there. So again, the alt text, you got to wait for it to fully upload, and then you can take this title and then add that in there. So that adds that search engine friendly content. Add that in there like so, and then we're going to hit save. Now when we come into exit Visual Builder again, and we come onto the blog page, now it shows that featured image, right? And the text here. If you don't want on this page itself, the featured image and the video, I don't really like how that looks. So notice how it has the video here and it has the featured image here. We just come into the dashboard, come in the Divi theme options, and you're going to come into layout, and where it says place thumbs on post, we're just going to hit disabled on that. And then now when we come back into the site itself, we can see and go to our blog, and then we can click the blog, and notice it just shows the video, it doesn't show the thumbnails anymore. So that's an adjustment I like to make. I think it looks a little messy with two of the images. So now let's say we want to add another post, right? So we can go here and just click post here. Obviously you can go to the dashboard and go through that again and hit add new post. So let's come up to find another video that she has, formerly in spine and phone neck. Take this link here, we're going to pause this. We're going to come in here, what's the name of it? Foam rolling for your spine and phone neck. So you go in here and go foam rolling for your spine and phone neck. Let's see if I can get the spelling on that. Adjust that. So again, you hit publish, publish again. And just uploading. Now hit use Divi Builder. And now since we already got the format that we want from our last blog post, we're going to just go clone existing page. And then we just find that page that we created. And this is it right here. And then it just pulls in the format here. And so now we wait for that video to load, make adjustment to the video, go insert from URL, paste the link, insert into post, add that, come in here, take this, copy all that, add it in here. One thing that I like to do to add more content to the blog post from a search engine standpoint, I like to use, let me get out of here. I like to use all the subtitles that Google creates and add that in there. Let's just here, spacing there. So that's good, but now it keeps the same format, same font, and we don't have to recreate the wheel. But what I'll do is I'll create or get all the subtitles here and have it create and then copy and paste it and add it in here. And I have videos showing you how to get subtitles from YouTube, but then it adds more search engine optimization content. So again, same thing. To get the featured image, you want to copy this or add the thumbnail in there. Hit here, go to featured image, upload it there. So right now this page doesn't have a featured image. One thing that we want to make adjustments to within the site and on the blog after we save this. So that's how you edit your site, add blog posts. And like I said, you can go to any page here and just click Enable Visual Builder, or you can go into the dashboard itself, go into your pages here, or your blog posts in here. Some things that you want to do with your posts, you want to add categories, so whatever your posts are about. So obviously, you're not doing interviews, uncategorized. Let's just change this to fitness. So now all those will automatically be adjusted to fitness, the ones that are added. But then you want to add other categories as well as tags here in a little bit. So interviews, news, tutorials. So you would typically want like nutrition for a fitness site, nutrition, right? A new category. What else? Foam rolling, copy and paste. And you can add more categories in here. So also now if you go to all your posts, a quick way to edit the tags and so forth is what you do is just hit this quick edit button. So tags would be foam rolling for your spine, phone neck, right? And then just click update and it will do that. And you can also, we didn't do that, so let's do the quick edit in, and then we can also add it for foam rolling here on another category, and then foam roll for your upper back. So again, hit quick edit, foam rolling for upper back, and you can add more tags in here. So tags are the key words or key phrases that people would type in Google to find this post. So then click foam rolling on the category, hit update, and now that's saved in here. And then obviously we want to go back into view site. You can go into the blog, and now you can see it's in the fitness and foam rolling category. And if you want to remove these things, there's ways to do that in the site. And this one isn't showing the featured image because it's not set up there to show, but you can easily add it like I showed you. So this is just a quick video, or a video that kind of teaches you how to make changes to your website on a WordPress using Divi themes, how to add blog posts, how to duplicate posts, and how to use clone settings and create blog posts, adding your content from YouTube as well to other places to really build your site out, to get more search engine, to grow your site, to get more traffic and so forth. Hope it was really helpful. If you have any questions, and if you have any, we'd appreciate any comments below on if you liked the video, if you needed help with something else using the Divi themes platforms and WordPress. Please comment below. We appreciate it. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all those things if you find value in these videos, so we can keep pumping them out and helping more people who are novices and don't have the resources to build their own websites, and they want to make changes themselves. So I appreciate it. Thank you. And like I said, obviously we consult businesses and help businesses grow and transform their businesses, from generating more leads, running ads, creating copy, and all the things that go with that. And you can go to our website and check us out more. And we appreciate if you check out more videos regarding certain topics from marketing and business coaching and all that great stuff. So thank you and take care. And like I said, hopefully this was helpful.